Good afternoon friends, this is Hitesh from Kelkas Python Academy. So today we'll be back with some another problem statement of lead code which is based on SQL. So we have to first find out nth highest salary. So nth highest salary basically means suppose as user has passed the value of n is 2. So we have to get the second highest salary. Suppose the user has passed the value of n is 3, so we have to get the third highest salary. So first see what is problem statement. In problem statement we have employee table. Within the employee table we have two types of column, that is ID and salary, and both of the column name has same data type, that is integer. So ID is the primary key. As we all know, each ID, each employee has get the unique ID in spite of they have same name or same surname. So for that each employee has get unique ID, which is of integer type. Salary is of integer type. So we have to write the solution to find the nth highest salary for the employee from the employee table. If there is no nth salary, suppose in table we didn't get any salary, so that time it will return null. Okay. So likewise we will try to write the function in SQL. So for that we have to start with the create function get nth highest salary. We have to fetch the nth highest salary, so for that we have to pass the variable uh, within the function as nth, and which is of integer type, and it will return salary, which again it is of integer type. Return int. So for that we have to always start the function with by using begin keyword. Declare, in the declare section we have to declare the variable. So first we will declare m variable, which is of integer type. It will get the salary of that employee. Each line is end with a semicolon. Within the next one we have to set the expression by using set expression, where we have to find out the value of m. The value of m is always less than by 1, which will pass the number of column as n. So it will set the expression as set is equal to m is equal to n minus 1. Now we have to get the number of salary while passing the value of n by the user. So for that SQL statement is always written within the select query. So for that we will write select query within the return statement. Select, we want to get the unique salary, so for that we will write here distinct keyword, distinct. Now the distinct salary from table name. So what is the table name here? Employee. Select distinct salary from employee, and salary should be always print in descending order. So for that we will use here order by clause. Order by salary, it should be printed in descending order. So for that we have to write here descending keyword, and we want only first highest salary, first row of that column. So for that we will write limit keyword limit 1, and we have to provide while using offset keyword. Offset will store the same salary if the number of employees has getting the same salary if they are highest. So within that we want only first row. So for that we will use limit keyword. Thus for the same salary of that same employee, for that we will pass offset keyword as a m. So that should be completed, and once the query is completed you have to always end the function while using end keyword. So likewise we had written this, completed our query. So now we have to run this query. It will run some error. Now it will run. Again it will show me some error. What is that error? We will try to solve this one. We have error in SQL syntax. Wait. Yeah, here error is there. We didn't completed this line with semicolon. Now it will run properly. Yeah. So we have to always remember each line is always end with a semicolon in the function. So we had forget to put the semicolon here. So once again I will try to explain you. So basically we have to explain the nth highest salary, and value of n should be entered by user. Suppose users had entered the value of n is 3, so for that within the employee table we want to get the third highest salary. And so for that we have always write the function, and in MySQL function is always write by using create, starting with create function, create keyword, create function, get highest salary. This is a function name, and this is a parameter which we are passing to this function, which is of integer type, and we user has to enter value of n. While user has entered, once we return the query, so from that query we will get the salary which is of integer type. So for that we have to use return keyword with integer. And always function should be begin with the while using begin keyword. In the declare section we will always try to put that variable which we are going to use in the query, that we are declaring the variable. So here we are declaring the variable as integer type, and each line should be end with the semicolon. Next we will try to set the expression, because m is a number of rows. So we will set the number of rows as m is equal to n minus 1. So for that first row should be assumed as a 0. Okay, suppose the value of n, suppose as user entered 3, so it will get the 3 minus 1 2, so value of m will become 2. And within the return statement we will try to put the select query. So from that select query we want only unique salary. So for that we will use distinct keyword. Distinct keyword will fetch only unique records. So distinct keyword, this we will use salary with the distinct keyword. It will fetch only distinct salary from the employee table, and sell while printing while displaying the result from the table, it will always print in descending order. So for that we will use order by clause, which order by clause will be applied on salary column, and salary column should be printed in descending order. That means three highest salary should be printed first, then the their lowest, then the lowest, and we will want to fetch only first row within that. So for that we will use limit keyword, and within the offset, so offset will do it will allow the memory to the that record, and offset m records are there, and with semicolon. And at the end of the once your query is completed, you should always uh, put at the end of query end keyword. So here we will get the expected output. See, highest salary is 200. Okay, within that. Suppose users are entered 2. So for that, highest salary is within the highest salary. So second highest salary is 2. Suppose has user had entered first. So first highest salary is 300. Suppose the users had entered first, that is a third highest salary, so we will get 100 here. Okay, so within that we will try to put this query within the with the help of PLSQL statement sometime. So likewise, I hope you will get the proper idea about this problem statement. So if you have any query regarding this, please comment us. So it is basically simple. So if you have any doubt regarding this, please comment us. And before moving to this question, I will request you please go through all the functions concept in PLSQ. So this is up to today. Thank you. Have a nice day.